Marie, Marco, and Max all have something in common. What they all have in common is that they all avoided advanced fee scams. How does one avoid advanced fee scams, you ask? Well, follow along. Marie got a call from a person saying they're a representative from a loan company and they can guarantee a loan with great interest rates even if your credit is bad. She only needs to pay for credit insurance using a money transfer service. But wait, this might be a scam. Marie, however, knows you should never send money in advance to obtain a loan, no matter how good the offer sounds. Marco got a letter about an inheritance he's about to receive from his distant relative. The letter says Marco must transfer money to a lawyer for legal fees and taxes in advance. But wait, this might be a scam. He realizes he never met the lawyer, and it's the first time he hears of this distant relative. Marco makes the right decision and ignores the letter, knowing you should never send money to someone you've never met in person. Max wants to start an online home-based business and finds an offer online that seems just too good to be true. The offer guarantees all the necessary materials and a solid business plan. But wait, this might be a scam. It doesn't take long for Max to realize that the website is a scam. Max knows you should never pay for a service on the internet using a money transfer. By staying vigilant, Marie, Marco, and Max have avoided advanced fee scams. Well done, guys. Western Union reminds you, always stay alert. Protect yourself from fraud. Remember, you should never send money to obtain a loan or a credit card, to an unknown person or business, to pay for online purchases. Learn more at woo.com/fraud awareness.